Is your Subaru WRX infotainment stuck on a black screen when using Apple CarPlay? Data shows that a vast majority of these display failures are just minor software glitches. Let us walk through the troubleshooting steps to get your connection back online. Start by force rebooting the head unit, checking your cable integrity, and cycling your phone's connection. These are the three most frequent suspects causing that frustrating black screen. Sometimes your phone needs a fresh handshake with the car's infotainment system. Try these home fixes first, but if the unit remains totally unresponsive, it might be a hardware failure. Most solutions cost nothing, while a dealer visit for a new head unit is significantly pricier. If you're still stuck, check the fuse box or perform a manual firmware update via thumb drive. Keep these items in your glove box to handle most infotainment hiccups on the road. Remember, your safety comes first, so never try to troubleshoot while driving. Thanks for watching, and check the description for links to the latest Subaru firmware updates.